Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoom meeting, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you mute a participant in your Zoom call? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to mute a participant in your Zoom call anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing sales calls or team meetings, sometimes a participant's going to have their microphone on and have a lot of background noise. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in the Zoom call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into a live Zoom meeting, as you can see here. Now, if you want to mute a participant in your Zoom call, you're going to click down here on the bottom left, participants. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and find the guest that you want to mute. So for example, this one right here, and then you're going to look for the microphone icon right here. You can see this one's in red, so they're already muted. If they are not muted, it's going to be in gray, and all you're going to do is just click on the microphone button, and that would mute that particular participant. If you want to mute all of the participants, you can just click down here at the bottom, mute all. There you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to mute a participant in your Zoom meeting, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.